today I'm going to show you how I make a really easy hamburger casserole. And I'm going to use green beans in mine, although you can use any vegetable you want. This is so easy, especially for a busy day. Plus I'm using my dehydrated potatoes. You don't have to use dehydrated potatoes, you can use real potatoes. And for this particular casserole, you're going to want at least 3 to 4 cups of sliced potatoes. So we're just going to line those on the bottom. We're also going to line a little bit of onions on there with it. Okay. And then I've got burger that I fried up, browned up. And we're going to put that on the bottom there too. Okay, so let's see. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to mix our soup. And I am using my favoriteest of all, cream of mushroom soup. My hubby's not going to eat any of this, so I get to use the cream of mushroom. So I'm going to use 1 can of that. Okay. And to that I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of milk. Let me get that mixed in really good. This really makes a nice casserole. It's perfect for a day when you're busy. You can even stick it in your slow cooker too. Works wonderful. But I'm putting these in the oven. Okay, we got that. Now, I'm going to line the rest of my potatoes on top of here. Because I just layered it in 2 layers. Okay? I'm going to pour my green beans over the top of all that. Spread them around. These will be wonderful. Okay. I'm going to put the rest of my burger on top of this. Okay. Oh, I got a couple pieces in there I can get out. Waste not, want not. There we go. Okay, so I got that all put together. Now, all we're going to do is pour this soup mixture over the top of this. Okay? Now, because I am using dehydrated potatoes, I'm going to need a little more liquid. But with that liquid, I am only going to use water. And actually, I'll pour it right in this can. And I just want enough to cover 2 of my potatoes. That's it. Because they will use that water to rehydrate. I'll put the rest of my onions in here. And I'm also going to put some of my parsley on top. I just chopped this up. This is fresh parsley. I'm not going to put any salt in here because the mushroom soup is salty, but I am going to put pepper on top of it all. And that is going to go in a 400-degree oven for about 45 minutes. And about, I would say 10 minutes before it's done, I'm going to put just a little bit of cheddar cheese on the top of it. So, as soon as that's done, I'll bring you back and show you. Okay, friends, my casserole is done. And this is very nice looking. I put a little cheese on there. We're going to see if we can't put a little bit of this. Oh, look at how gorgeous that turned out. I got to have a little more of that. And this is my favorite with cream of mushroom. And I put a little mozzarella cheese on it. Not a whole lot because I'm not a big cheese eater. But I put a little mozzarella cheese on that. And isn't that wonderful? Very budget friendly. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching.